Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another wonderful episode of The Wonders of Science with Mr. Whybrew. This is Season 3, Episode 42, and in this episode, we're going to answer the question, when was the first microscope developed? Does anyone know? Does anyone want to take a guess? Anyone? So let me go ahead and answer the question. So when was the first microscope developed or invented? Well, the first microscope was actually invented in 1590. Yes, you heard me right, in 1590. Amazing to think how long we have had this device and how much its invention has contributed to the various fields of science, in particular microbiology. Now, as far as who was the one that invented it, historians record it as Zacharias Janssen. Janssen, by the way, is spelled Janssen. Now, there are some historians that argue that Hans Janssen helped build the microscope along with Zacharias, because Zacharias was, of course, a teenager in the 1590s. Now, like I said, it's just an argue based on historical evidence, but it's pretty interesting to think about. But more importantly, 1590 was when the first microscope was invented. Think about that, how long that has been. Wow. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's move on now to our fun science fact of the day. Get this, did you know that your foot is the most common part bitten by insects? Yes, you guessed it. The most often part of your body that is bitten by an insect is, of course, your foot. Now you might say, why my foot? Think about it, it's close to the ground, and especially if you wear open-toed shoes or you're in your house with no shoes on, you can kind of see why. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me for another wonderful episode of The Wonders of Science with Mr. Whybrew. Keep an eye out for the question that's at the end of the video, and as always, enjoy the wonders of science. Good day, and goodbye.